give me the recording option, and now share the screen. One minute. Screen is visible. Sharing কিছু দেখতে পাচ্ছ কি?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait. First, let me get the PDF. Now tell me what you can.
Sir, আটকে আছে।
আটকে আছে। আমি কি স্টপ শেয়ার করে আবার শেয়ার করছি। Now
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
কি দেখছো বলো?
Yes, sir. As a quantum physics evolution.
Okay. Then it's okay. কেউ যদি জয়েন করতে পারবো ঠিক আছে। Still I am writing the term quantum physics. Still I am using the term physics, not mechanics, because we yet to enter into the actual mathematical dynamical domain of what mechanical properties of what do you mean by mechanics আমি জানিনি এখনো পর্যন্ত। Quantum term এটার evolution আমরা we have just started our discussion in the last class, and I will move forward with that thing hopefully for the next 1 day or 2 days, like so. Calculations are required, and I will not do that because that is not in my part so far the syllabus is concerned. KCC sir will do that, I hope so. But the conclusions, what actually revealed from some experiments, some those historical fundamental things that we have found out from the last century, that is more revealing. Obviously that depends on the calculative results, but apart from the calculation we will move with the physics. So when the evolution term, have you downloaded the certain books of that I have told you about the books of?
Yes, sir. Rahi to share করেছিল স্যার।
So there are lots of Weiser and Eisberg, Resnick, Feynman lectures. These 3 books I should recommend for this part of quantum physics. These 3 books. One is Eisberg, Resnick, that next Weiser, and next that okay, whatever. So the evolution part actually starts from some accidental experiment regarding the black body radiation, and that I have অডিওটা মিউট রাখো, যখন কথা বলবে বা জিজ্ঞেস করবো বলবে। The thing that actually came into picture, what do you mean by ultraviolet catastrophe? That actually means when people try to explain the black body radiation spectrum, কেউ বলতে পারবে? তোমরা তো একটু হলেও পড়েছো, আগে দিন ডিসকাস করলাম, what do you mean by black body spectrum and what was the problem to explain that spectrum classically from classical physics? Anybody can you tell me the answer or try to? Go through the books for the time being. Go through the books. If even you do not do the calculation, just go through the physics. Here I am also not doing the calculations, again I am saying, but what I am trying to say is that if you look at the spectrum, it's a bell shaped curve. I think you can তোমাদের হাতে কাছে যদি বইপত্র বা কিছু থাকে একটু যদি দেখেও নাও, On the curve, on the y-axis, you are plotting the energy of the radiation, either absorbed or emitted, whatever may be, within a given frequency interval, say from nu to nu plus d nu. না বুঝতে পারলে বলবে, ছবিটা আঁকতে পারিনি আমি এখানটা, আমি আঁকা হয়নি। We are plotting on the y-axis. এটা কি দাগ দাগ হচ্ছে কেন স্ক্রিনের মধ্যে? কেউ কি কিছু করছো স্ক্রিনে কোনো কাজ? আচ্ছা, কোনো কারণে একটা ব্লু লাইন হয়ে গেল। এনিওয়ে, আচ্ছা কেউ কি এখানে প্লট করতে পারবে এই স্ক্রিনটার মধ্যে? আমি কি প্লট করতে পারবো এটার মধ্যে? করা যাবে? কোনো কিছু আছে এখানে? ও একটু কিছু একটা হচ্ছে, হ্যাঁ দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
মোটা হয়ে গেছে, যাই হোক।
Sir, পাতলা করা যায় স্যার, অপশন আছে।
এইরকম না, এটা তো ভুল হয়ে গেল একটু। এটা মুছবো কি করে রে, এটা তো মুশকিল। ট্যানোনেট
মাইক্রোসফট এজে করা যায় ভালো করে পিডিএফ গুলো এডিট।
দেখি ড্রয়িংটা, আচ্ছা এই যে হচ্ছে, হ্যাঁ এবার দেখো তো এখানটা আমি ড্র করার চেষ্টা করছি ব্লু দিয়ে। হ্যাঁ এক্স্যাক্টলি, এই যে কার্ভটা এক্স্যাক্টলি এইখানটা মোটামুটি অন দা ওয়াই অ্যাক্সিস উই হ্যাভ, বাবারে ইউ, দেখি নিউ যদি লিখতে পারি তো ভালো, বাহ ফ্যান্টাস্টিক, and then comes d and there is comes new. On the x-axis we plot, or people try to plot new. Now what happens here, as the frequency increases, the calculation from the classical physics shows that as we, ছবিটা কি আছে কারোর কাছে বইটার মধ্যে? This should be the spectrum actually. This should be the spectrum experimental observation. That means on the low frequency side and also on the high frequency side, the spectrum should goes down. U nu d nu means the energy absorbed or radiated by the black body per unit volume, whatever may be the shape, per unit volume in the frequency interval nu to nu plus d nu. That means, look, in two ways you can explain these things. One way is that radiation is incident or emitted by the system, that is the black body, in lots of frequency range. Lots of frequencies emitted or absorbed. So you are considering a very small range. That is why I am saying a small frequency interval nu to nu plus d nu. Now inside the black body, what is happening? Two ways are considering this thing. One is there are lots of standing waves are created by internal multiple reflections. So how many types of reflectory waves are created? That is also given by this expression u nu d nu times the average energy of those reflected waves. That is one way. And the other way, you can think that inside the wall of the black body, there exists, or there you can imagine certain fixed harmonic oscillator present, which are vibrating with their characteristic frequency. When incident radiation or incident on the external radiation incident on the black body, the fixed harmonic oscillator at the resonating point, they absorb the radiation, and you calculate the energy of the absorbed radiation at that particular resonant condition. So whatever may be, you will get experimentally should expect this kind of nature of the curve. Now u nu d nu actually, if you write down, okay, if you calculate this thing, you will get a factor inside this bracket, and also here the term E average. In this factor, you will get, on the first bracket, you will get the number of standing waves that will created in the black body. Actually, the black body looks like in this fashion. Say a small hole is there. Suppose the radiation is incident on it. Several reflection is taking place in this way, in this way, in this way. So how many number of modes are created? Or if there exists the fixed harmonic oscillator here, so how they are absorbing the radiation. So how many number of oscillators are present, or how many number of standing waves are actually created inside the black body, that is given by this expression. And times you will have to multiply that expression by the average energy of the oscillator or the average energy associated with the standing waves inside the black body. Are you getting my point, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The problem is that if you assume the classical physics, then the expression is such that 8 pi, আমি তো লিখতে পারছি না, এতগুলো লেখা খুব মুশকিল, there will be a term nu epsilon bar, the average energy associated with the mode of vibration or the mode of standing waves is simply kt, and what actually happened, this will be 8 pi nu square, কতটা মনে আছে লিখছি, nu square d nu by c cube by c. I may be wrong, the constant factor may be wrong, and this average energy will be, classically it will be kBt. K is the Boltzmann constant, T is the temperature of the black body. What I am trying to say, the factor is nu square. So that means when nu tends to 0, that is the low frequency region, it corresponds to the experimental curve, very okay. But as nu tends to infinitely high, that is when you are moving towards the high frequency domain, the calculation shows that the energy density also blows up, isn't it? Isn't it clear to you? If nu tends to infinitely high, what is the value of u nu d nu? Only the part nu square is there. So if you put nu equal nu tends to infinity, that limiting value will give you a infinitely high value. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means the curve, actually the experimental, the theoretical curve, as per this theory, it will should, অন্য কোনো কালার আছে দেখছি, এত কালার ফালার কি আছে, পারবো না এত কিছু করতে। Actual curve will be moved like this fashion. Theoretically, it will blow up, it will go on as the frequency increases, but that should not be the case. So classically, the problem with the calculation of the average energy cannot be kBt. How the average energy was calculated classically? It is assumed that the oscillator inside or the standing waves, they behave as ideal gas molecules, and you know from the ideal kinetic theory of gases, from the equipartition theorem of thermodynamics, you know for each degree of freedom, energy associated is half kBt. Yes or no? Everybody, you know that thing, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if you consider the oscillators present inside the wall of the cavity, they are possessing two types of vibrations. One is the kinetic mode and the potential mode, simple harmonic oscillator. So half kBt into 2, each mode correspond to half kBt. So 2 mode of vibration, since so half kBt into 2, so kBt terms comes, half and 2 cancels out. এটা তো ক্যালকুলেটটা করতে হবে, নাম্বার অফ স্ট্যান্ডিং ওয়েভ, নাম্বার অফ অসিলেটর প্রেজেন্ট উইথ ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি রেঞ্জ নিউ টু নিউ প্লাস ডি নিউ। বেসিক্যালি এটা কিন্তু অ্যাকচুয়ালি নাম্বার অফ স্ট্যান্ডিং ওয়েভস দ্যাট ইজ ক্রিয়েটেড উইদিন দ্য ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি ইন্টারভাল, সেই ওয়েভগুলোকেই কিন্তু রেজোনেটিং কন্ডিশনে অসিলেটরগুলো অ্যাবজর্ব করছে। অ্যাবজর্ব করলে অন দ্য অ্যাভারেজ তাদের তুমি এনার্জি বার করছো। মেক ইট ক্লিয়ার এভরিবডি প্লিজ, দিস ফার্স্ট ব্র্যাকেট টার্ম ইজ দ্য নাম্বার অফ স্ট্যান্ডিং ওয়েভস প্রেজেন্ট অর ক্রিয়েটেড ইনসাইড দ্য ক্যাভিটি within the frequency interval nu plus d nu, and this kBt is the average energy of the oscillator. Because there are lots of physics of oscillator present, somebody absorb this energy, someone absorb that energy, so you have to calculate the average one. Classical physics says the average energy is half kT. Into 2 will be 2 modes of vibrations, one is the kinetic mode and the potential mode. So the point of consideration is that nu square factor is only there. If you put nu tends to 0, then the curve is okay. If you put nu tends to infinitely high, the curve should blow up, and that should not be the case. Nu tends to high means you are going to ultraviolet and so on, higher frequency region of electromagnetic spectrum. The spectrum is, this is red, this is the violet spectrum. So frequency is increasing in this side, I am calling the frequency fundamental character. So UV portion, and then X-ray, gamma ray, all this portion is going to the apart from violet side. So at that portion, the classical physics fails. Is the physics clear to you, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Two factors, 8 pi nu square d nu by c cube and kbt. ক্যালকুলেশনটা এবার তো স্যার করাবেন, আমি তো মুখে বলেই দিলাম। সো হোয়ার লাইজ দ্য প্রবলেম? হোয়ার লাইজ দ্য প্রবলেম? ওরে বাবা, এটাকে হাউ ক্যান আই স্ক্রল ডাউন দিস থিং? এটা তো ওখানে অ্যাক্টিভ হয়ে আছে এই কার্সারটা, মাউসে না কিসে কি করবো এবার? হেল্প মি এনিবডি, হাউ ক্যান আই মুভ ডাউন দ্য কার্সার অফ দ্য স্ক্রিন? কি তাহলে I cannot move the cursor now. It is okay. It's okay now. Okay.
স্যার ওই অ্যারো বা এটা
Okay. It's okay. So Max Planck then comes. He accidentally told that देखो, when the radiation comes inside the black body, it carries with all possible value of frequency, and the oscillator, Fizeau oscillator. You imagine a model. It's a model. You imagine the oscillator absorbing the radiation also in any arbitrary mode. They absorb the radiation. So it was assumed initially that it can absorb the radiation with any arbitrary frequency, of any arbitrary frequency. There lies the problem. Actually, there lies the problem, and also the problem lies in the calculation of the average energy. If you say this is the way to absorb the energy, so with that way you have to calculate the average. So তোমার যদি ওইটা ক্যালকুলেশনে ভুল হয়ে যায়, how the absorption taking place, so average ক্যালকুলেশনটা ভুল হবে। তাই ক্লাসিক্যালি যখন ধরে নেওয়া হয়েছিল যে all possible energy can be absorbed or radiated, that consideration was wrong, and thereby the average calculation was also wrong. So Max Planck had to take into consideration in the year of 1900, a সালগুলো important, chronology is very important, that I have written in just a single statement that electromagnetic radiation absorbed and or whatever emitted in discrete or energy steps of h nu, where nu is the corresponding frequency of the radiation. If nu is the radiation frequency, then what is the corresponding energy absorbed? Not 2.3 h nu, 5.9 h nu, 0.23 h nu, all possible values. No, sir. Only h nu. 0 h nu, yes, nothing can be absorbed, or 1 h nu or 2 h nu, integral multiple. In this way, the energy can be absorbed. Is it okay, everybody? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
যাই অ্যাবজর্ব হবে না কেন, এই এক একটা করে 1 h nu, 2 h nu, 3 h nu, or 0, n h nu. So in energy steps, the energy will be absorbed by the Fizeau harmonic oscillator, assumed to be present in the inside wall of the cavity. As simple as that. It was an model to explain. So at the point when this consideration was assumed, so the average calculation also will be cancelled out. Not will take place in a classical mode, classical manner. Equipartition theorem will be just simply be discarded. That bundle of energy, it was technically called by Planck quantum. Quantum means in Latin how much. How much, that means not any arbitrary value, but h nu. H was the famous Planck's constant. ওই ভ্যালুটা he found accidentally. কি running out of time দেখাচ্ছে কেন? Okay. So that was the first point where we people had to think beyond the classical physics. Think beyond the classical physics. এইবার যদি তুমি এইখানে তুমি ক্লাসিক্যাল জিনিসটাকে ইয়ে করো, আমি আবার তাহলে ড্রয়িংটা যদি যাই, না ড্রয়িং তো না, এটা আমি কি দিয়ে করেছিলাম, কিভাবে লিখলাম ওটাকে জানো, কোনটা দিয়ে করলাম, টেক্সটে না, টেক্সট ফরম্যাট,
Sir, maybe পেনটা দিয়ে।
পেইন্ট হোয়াট ইজ দ্য, প্লিজ হেল্প মি হিয়ার। এই লেখা একটাকে তো করলাম, ভুলে গেলাম।
স্যার
হ্যাঁ,
টেক্সটের ওই
টেক্সটের কোনটা?
টেক্সটের পাশে এখানে। স্যার টেক্সটের পাশে ছিল।
আচ্ছা, ড্র এর মধ্যে কোনটা? আচ্ছা, এটা কি না, এটা তো ড্র হয়ে, আচ্ছা এরকম ড্র হবে, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। In case of Planck, when he বাবা না তো তখন তো আসছে না তো, তাহলে কি এরকম নেব? পেয়েছি, ঠিক আছে। In case of Planck, the calculation of the standing waves was okay. 8 pi nu square, 8 pi nu square, d nu by, একটু বলে দিই এটা, by c cube. It was okay. Fantastic calculation. It was okay. Problem was handled in the average energy calculation. As per the Planck, as per the discrete bundle is concerned, the average energy found to be this thing, e to the power h nu by k h nu by kt minus 1. মাইনাসটা কিন্তু একদম নিচে আছে, মানে এক্সপোনেনশিয়াল h nu by kt একটা টার্ম, টোটালটা -1. This was statistically calculated by Planck. Statistical mechanics now at this point you don't know, but I am saying that term. Statistical means probability aspect was come, because not all the oscillators can accept all possible energy. So what is the probability of absorbing energy h nu? That is one probability. What is the probability of absorbing 2h nu? That is different. So taking into consideration the probabilities of all possible quanta, Planck was able to calculate this expression for the average energy of the oscillators as per his quantum view. And now, as the frequency tends to 0, what you will have to do, you have to expand this exponential term in series factor. আপন আমি শুধু টেকনিকটা বলে দিচ্ছি, এটা মনে রেখো। Expand the exponential term in series factor, and then in the limit, if you put nu tends to 0, you get u nu d nu will be 0. And even when nu tends to infinity, you will just divided the nu cube term on the numerator by the numerator and denominator, and then put nu tends to again infinity, you will get the 0 term. Can you get my point, what I am trying to say? করতে হবে।
No, sir.
e to the power exponential সিরিজটাকে জাস্ট ব্রেক দ্য সিরিজ ইনটু ই সিরিজ টার্ম। যখন in the low frequency limit, just put all the values of nu tends to 0 after breaking the series এই টার্মগুলোর মধ্যে, কারণ 1 আর -1 ওটা কেটেও যাচ্ছে, আর বাকি যা টার্ম থাকবে তার মধ্যে বসালে তুমি পেয়ে যাবে। And when you put nu tends to infinity, then you have to divide the numerator and denominator after breaking the series by the nu cube term, and then you put nu tends to infinity, you again get the 0 term. So the anomaly at the high frequency side will be clearly resolved. বোঝা যাচ্ছে?
Yes, sir.
হাতে করবে, স্যার তো আশা করি করাবেন, আমি সেটাই চেষ্টা করছি বলার। ওকে, so at the high frequency domain where the classical theory fails, only this prescription was able to solve the anomaly. So black body means the origin or the production of the black body spectrum in a cavity that was only be considered from this discrete energy aspect. Only this thing I can say at this moment. Now, the second thing was again an beautiful experiment and striking feature which was first performed by Hertz. Hertz was first one who tried to do some experiment on a metal surface, putting some electromagnetic radiation, all these things. It was called photoelectric effect. So electromagnetic radiation is absorbed or radiated by the black body. So people was again at that time, people মানে এটা লোকে ভাবতেই পারতো না যে ক্লাসিক্যাল ফিজিক্স would fail, but Planck brought that quantum or the discrete aspect. So people thought that only for the production of the energy or the absorption of the energy, classical theory may fail. That is the accidental case. But now when photoelectric effect comes, that means when the electromagnetic energy now propagates from the source means say the black body radiation, the radiation now emits the electromagnetic, the cavity now emits the radiation propagates through the space and interacts with certain matter, that means the metal. That interaction also cannot be explained through classical physics. And what classical physics in those days told, while the interaction between light, electromagnetic spectrum means, you can say it's a light in a crude language. So in those days, classical physics of light was explained by classical theory from the wavefront aspect. Wavefront jano, whenever light falls on a surface, whether it is a interference or diffraction or whatever may be, it spreads or it superimposes or it interacts on the surface through its wavefront. It was a classical theory, Huygens theory simply. But if that was the consideration, then Einstein or people found that some aspects of photoelectric effect, আমি আর ওগুলো বলবো না, what aspect was then, আশা করি তোমরা জানো, because wavefront needs certain time to propagate from one point to another, but photoelectric effect requires no time gap actually. To bring the electron in from inside the metal, certain cutoff frequency is required, but in case of wavefront consideration, no frequency aspect was there. So again, people get perplexed that using the wavefront, you cannot explain the photoelectric effect. So the only way to resolve that anomaly in case of photoelectric, Einstein brought again the Planck's aspect, and the year was 1905. He deliberately proposed that yes, you cannot say light. Now he used the term light because the experiment was done using the actual visible light and then with the UV light also. That not only in the higher side, but light cannot be taken into consideration as a wavefront whenever the photoelectric effect is concerned. It can be only considered as a concentrated bundles or entities or packets, and Einstein proposed the name photon to those packets, each having the energy h nu, where nu is the frequency of the corresponding radiation which is emitted on the corresponding matter. Is it okay to everybody now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So although black body radiation might be an accidental case for few classical physicists at that time, but when photoelectric effect comes, when the radiation propagates through the space and interacts with the matter, again an energy picture is coming where the discreteness is having into account, then people get some setback. That accident may happen in one time, but in twice. আমরা বলি না যে the lightning বাজ কখনো এক জায়গায় পড়ে না, দুবার পড়লো. So it was a striking feature at that time. That photon aspect, the নামটা photon দেয়া হলো. Photon means again the discrete bundle. Whenever the energy terms come, the photon terms come. Absolutely, nothing else. After certain time, কিন্তু তখনও কিন্তু লোকে এইটুকুন আবার তখন ভেবে রইল, ঠিক আছে, during the production of the radiation inside of the black body and during the photoelectric effect, light may behave or electromagnetic wave may